guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope that everybody is having an amazing day today. As you can see, I did a little holiday look today. I do have a shirt on. I know that it does not look like it, but I do. So, I have been away for a little while. I just wanted to say that I've been struggling mentally. Anyway, I got a little box from my favorite person in the world, Miss Busy Beauty. So I thought I would unbox it with y'all. Before we do that, I do want to say thank you to Karen Ann MUA for the Christmas card. This has been my only Christmas card so far this year. So I greatly appreciate you taking a minute to actually think about me. Alright, so let's go ahead and get in this box and see what Miss Stephanie sent me. So this is what it looks like. This is what it looks like inside. I haven't really done anything with it. I pretty much work and sleep all of the time. It dawned on me that I'll be in this camper for almost a year. Right around the corner. Every day I get better. I have my good days and I have my bad days. So this is a good day and I thought I would jump on here and say hi to everybody and show you my cute, amazing little look. I did put on some little snowflakes. I will put a better picture in so that it's still and you can see it. Let's go ahead and get in here and see what she sent me. So the first thing she sent me was from Klarna. This is a Nourishing leave-in cream with mango butter. I do like Nourishing creams for my hair. I do so much to it. We are rocking a new hair color. This is called Midnight Violet. I like it. It's a little darker than what I wanted, but so far I like it. You will hear my jingle bells. I do apologize if it annoys you. The next thing is from Ciate London. This is an Everyday Vacay Dewy Coconut Setting Spray. Now I do already have this open, so I won't be opening this. This will go into my shelf of extras, but I do like this setting spray. I have a thing with setting sprays anyway. The next thing we got is from Benefit. This is the Porefessional Hydrate Primer. I've not tried this, so I'm super excited to try it. Anything that hydrates your face, I say why not, and Benefit, you know, pretty much got put on the map for their eyebrows and their primer, so I will definitely give that a shot. The next thing is from KVD. This is the Makeup Setting Mist. Now, I have not tried anything from KVD other than, I believe, an eyeshadow and their lips. I do know that Kat Von D no longer owns it. This is the Lock-It Setting Spray Mist. So I will definitely give that a try. Let's see how it sprays. Okay, I can get down with that. The next thing is from Beauty Bakery. This is the Lemon Bar Face Palette. So you have a highlight, a bronze, and a contour. That looks like it will be great colors for me. That is what they look like on the finger. And that is what they look like on my skin tone. So definitely good colors for me. And I've not tried a whole lot from Beauty Bakery. I have quite a few products. I just haven't tried them because I have other ones. And I don't see the sense in opening something if I have something else. I'm very much trying to get back into using the makeup I have. Then we have the Highlight Blossoms from Lime Crime. This is a highlighting palette. Super pretty. She has sent me one of these in the past. I believe it's green. It is the unicorns and it is purple. And I have used that one quite a bit. That is what that one looks like. You can see my dips and dunks. So this is the new one. Let me go ahead and swatch it for y'all and myself. So that's what they look like on your finger. Ooh, the bronzer stained. So there are those colors. They are super cute. Let me turn on another light and see if that helps. Okay, so there are those colors. All right. I do like Lime Crimes products, so I am very interested in trying that out. Okay, the next thing is from Ofra. This is the signature palette. This is Snowed In. This is a highlighting palette. I love Ofra's highlighters. They are super pretty. And there's what those colors look like. I'm sorry, I'm just not going to swatch this one yet. I just want to look at it a little bit more with all of its beauty before I stick my fingers in it. If you are an Ofra highlight lover, then you already know what these colors look like. If not, subscribe to the channel and you can see me use it in a later video. Then we have this from I Do Care. This is the Namaste Kitten Clarifying Cannabis Sativa Hemp Seed Oil Cleanser. Now, I'm always down for a good cleanser. Oh, and that is a huge size. So that is what it looks like. I will definitely be giving that a try. So it is green. Oh, it's like toothpaste. That is what it looks like. It's got a really nice scent to it. So I will definitely be trying that out. Then we have this from we have this from Lurella. It is a little ornament, which I will take the products out and put on my tree. I do have my I'm a Charmer ball down here. My ugly Christmas sweater from Dante from last year. So this will definitely stick around for the tree. Okay, and in here we have 3 eye toppers. This is in rose quartz. And I imagine I do need to shake it because this box has been sitting for a second. There's what that one looks like. It's a super pretty pink, a light dusty pink color. This one is in I don't know. I can't read it. That is the color of it. Oh, that's a pretty color. That is what that one looks like. Kind of a gray sparkle silver. And then the color Fooled. That is what it looks like. This looks like the one I'm going to like the most. And that is what that one looks like. So it's like an icy clear silver. So I will definitely be giving those a try. Okay, then she sent me from Huda Beauty. This is Matte and Metal Melted Shadows. I know this was sent out in a BoxyCharm box a while back. I did not receive it. I wanted to. They had such pretty colors. So now I have my own, and we'll definitely be trying that. And these are in the colors Shimmering Sunset on this side and primitive. Maybe on the other side, the matte looks like this. Oh, that's a beautiful color. Very opaque, no skipping, no skin seen through. Can't wait to try that out. And then the shimmer. Oh, it's got a way different brush. Okay. The shimmer looks like that. So that is super, super pretty. Super shimmery too. That has got a real catch for the light. Okay. Then she sent me a bag from Jeffree Star. This is the holographic bag. This is now my third or fourth one of different bags, not just this one. Inside here we have from Philosophy, this is the Snow Angel shower gel. I have tried it. It does smell so good. Then we got from Pharmacy, Very Cherry Bright, 15% clean vitamin C serum with Arola Cherry. I'm not sure. I have not tried this, but I do like Pharmacy's products. And that is what it looks like. It's a little thick in there, but vitamin C is good for everybody. The next thing is from Anastasia. This is the Lash Brag Volumizing Mascara. Now, I just opened my It Superhero Mascara. That is my all-time favorite mascara since I started getting deep and heavy into makeup a couple of years ago. Oh, that's such a pretty packaging though. Oh my goodness. So I will be trying that, but like I said, I just opened my other one. So we're going to let her live her best life. Then we'll get into that one. The next thing is from Stila. This is the Beauty Boss Lip Gloss. And it is in the color Watercolor. Now, I do believe that she has sent me this before. It's like an orangish peach color. Yes. So I will put this one up for a giveaway or mystery box, something like that. I don't need two. Then we got from Pure, this is the 4-in-1 Correcting Primer, silicone free. I have not tried this primer, so I do enjoy my primers. Oh, I'm all over the place. Then we have from Sugar Rush, this is the Cake Butter Whipped Body Butter. That will go in my work smock because I wash my hands all the time. I always am needing a small lotion. Then we have the Natasha Denona Lip Euphoria Gloss and Balm. And I can't tell you what color it is because it's too small. So, that is a very interesting color. But if it's a gloss balm, it shouldn't, oh, well. Actually, it's not that bad. It's like a nude. So yeah, I can work with that, and it smells like peppermint. Ooh, I wonder if that plumps. I'll definitely be trying that out. Then we have, again from Pharmacy, this is the Honey Grail Ultra Hydrating Face Oil. I'm super excited to try this out. I do like face oils. For the longest time, I was using the Elemis face oil. So that is what it looks like. Just a little dropper bottle. And then the last thing she sent me is from Jeffree Star. This is the Blood Sugar Mini. Now, I had hinted to her that I was looking to get this palette. It was like one of the last ones I didn't have of his, to, of course, complete my collection of him. And then it went on sale, so I did buy it. So now we have an extra for a giveaway. Like I said, a mystery box, friend mail, whatever the case. I did use this today for the red in my eye look, and super, super pretty. I used Cherry Soda and Wisdom. That is what that palette looks like. Super pretty. So, those are the items that Busy Beauty, Stephanie, sent me for the month of December, or Christmas, however you want to look at it. If you don't know who she is always down in my description box down below. She does makeup boxes. You can let her know what you're looking for. She will completely customize a box for you. Now, you can't go on there and get the same products that I got, or possibly you can. But I've bought quite a few boxes from her. Other ladies have bought quite a few boxes from her. Makeup with Jessica Vargas and Beauty and More with Renee are her two PR girls. So if you would like to see what you could potentially buy, you can always go check out their channels. This is my newest cup, Dear Santa. It was the dog. I thought it was just so cute. Chloe, however, had a different opinion, and she didn't think it was as cute as I did. But Stephanie, thank you very much. I hope everybody is having a great coming to Christmas, holidays, however you want to go about saying it. I will be getting back into my channel after the first of the year. Like I said, it's been a difficult year. It really has. I am getting much better and much more comfortable in my skin, but I still have my bad days, and I have winter depression, so that sets in very hard. For the people that have been here and stayed here, I greatly appreciate it. This is something that I want to do, so I need to get my butt back fire lit under my butt and come back and do what I want to do. I started the channel with a purpose, and after leaving my husband and moving, you know, things have been on a roller coaster. But like I said, if you're new here, hi, my name's Becca. I'm so glad that you stopped by. Thank you for checking out the video. Stephanie, again, thank you so very much. To all my friends, I hope you're just as glad to see me as I am to see y'all. Comment down below. Let me know what you're doing for the holidays. Do you celebrate Christmas? Are you traveling? Have you bought a box from Busy Beauty? Do give this video a like. It really does help the channel out. And if you've been on YouTube for a minute, you know that everybody's views suck. So I would greatly appreciate even a like. And if you're new and you like the video, please do subscribe. If not, thank you for watching. And until next time, guys, remember, nothing is impossible. Even the word itself says I'm possible. Mwah.